Hi beauties, welcome back. So the first thing to do is to remove your falsies. If you have falsies on, like I have falsies, so the first thing that I did is just to remove the falsies. And then the next thing to do is to use an oil-based cleanser, okay, to melt down your face. We call it double cleansing, where you use oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use shea butter oil, you can use any type of oil to melt down, to break down all the makeup. It is very easy. I prefer using oil to break down and melt down my makeup than using makeup wipes or makeup remover, because I notice that they are not gentle to the skin. But then what oil will do, because you're using your hand, okay, to melt everything, it will remove like 80 to 85% of the makeup you have on your face, even the mascara, even the large glues on your eyes. So I love using oil is very good to remove your makeup first. As you can see, even the lipstick that I was wearing on this day was also a kind of matte, but you can see the way the oil melt everything from my face. So it is very good, okay, to use oil to remove whatever makeup you have first. It is very easy. Oil is not aggressive on the skin, okay. Then after that, you use a gentle cleanser, okay, to remove your makeup. That is why they call it double cleansing. First of all, you use oil to melt down the makeup, and then the next step is to use a mild cleanser. Because why I said mild cleanser is because the oil has done majority of the work for you, okay. Then you try to lather the cleanser, just to make sure that all the part of your face gets this cleanser. Yeah, go in a circular motion, because you are also warming your face, circulating blood on your face, okay. And then beauties, after that, you use any mask of your choice. I am using a charcoal mask here because I love the benefit of charcoal mask. One, it deep cleanses your face. It removes dull surface cells, leaving your skin looking brighter and smooth. It also helps to minimize the appearance of pores. Because I have oily skin, it helps to balance the excess sebum without even drying my skin out, okay. Yeah, another thing with charcoal mask is it is a gentle exfoliation. It contains particles or maybe something like clay like texture that helps to smooth roughness and uneven texture from our skin, okay. And it also contains a soothing and a hydrating elements like glycerin or botanical extras to help maintain moisture and prevent tightness. After cleansing your face, you notice the tightness on your face, so it also helps to do what, to reduce the tightness on your face. Now after 5 minutes, the what's it called, the charcoal mask, I cleanse it off, and the next step, beauties, is to do what, to use an under eye cream. Under eye cream is very important, especially if we are aging. I am 40 plus, so I don't want to have too much issues on my skin, even though we can't cheat nature. But the ones we can do, please, let's do it. So I love applying under eye cream morning and evening on my eyes, okay. It helps to hydrate my under eyes. A lot of people apply under eye cream after their moisturizer, but I prefer applying my under eye cream directly on my eyes before any other thing. And then beauties, the next thing that I'm using here is my serumizer. You can use any type of serumizer, but I love using this particular serumizer because it contains niacinamide, which is skin refining properties. It has a hyaluronic acid, which is for hydrating and plumping our skin. Ceramide, which is for skin barriers repair. It repairs our skin barrier, okay. So you can use a serum based on your skin concern. If you have like dry skin, you might go for a moisturizing serum, Okay, if you have issues, sensitive skin, whatever skin type or skin problem that you have, use a serum based on that. Then after that, I am trying to hydrate my lips, okay, because we don't want to go in about with a crusty lips. So I'm using a kind of Vaseline, okay, to moisturize my lips. And then beauties, don't mind my hair, okay? I have been trying to lose this hair. Yeah, the next thing that I'm doing now is to apply my moisturizer. When it comes to skincare, the expert says start with the lighter consistency, okay? My serum is lighter than my moisturizer, so I start with that. Okay, I am using my moisturizer, trying to apply it all over my face. Okay, if you have dry skin, go for a moisturizer that is for dry skin. If you have oily skin like myself, all the products that I'm using here are for oily skin. And then beauties, after that, I don't miss to do this, okay? I massage my face every night. I don't do it in the morning because morning is always hectic, but I try to massage my skin every time I'm doing my nighttime routine, okay, just to stretch the muscles. We are aging and the muscles on our body, on our face are becoming weak, so I try to stretch it as much as I can, okay? It is very important. You can use your hand, but then I love this because it has this vibrating effect to it, so it helps to do what? To make sure that my skin, the bones and the muscles on my face are well stretched. As you can see, beauties, my face is ready to go to bed. And one thing that I show you here, I still have a glue residues on my lashes. I don't want to start removing them because if I do, I'm going to remove my natural lashes. So what I normally do is I apply cream like Vaseline on my lashes, go to bed. The next morning, they will just peel off easily. Okay, so that is what I'm doing now. And the next thing is to wear my satin bonnet to sleep. So beauties, I hope you enjoy this short tutorial on how to take care of your skin after makeup. And if you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share and subscribe please if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Bye.